With what can we compare our faith? This is a simple question, but disturbs us a lot this morning. Yes, we can compare our faith to many examples. Faith is like a seed. A seed is always fragile, small, tiny, tender, and depends. But when this small seed is touched by the rain of God's grace, you know what happens? It grows into something that changes our lives. See the potentiality of a small seed. When it grows into something, it changes our lives. Our faith is like in physics. When positive energy and negative energy coming together, or plus and minus coming together, it releases energy. In the same way, when our little faith meets God's grace, the power of God is released. The spark of spiritual power of God is released when our little faith meets God's grace. There are good many examples in the Holy Bible. I just would like to bring before you one of the best examples in the Gospel of Mark, chapter 5, verses 25 to 34, a woman who touches the cloth of Jesus. When she touched the cloth of Jesus, what happens here? Our little faith meets God's grace. And the result is the power of God is released. The healing power, the miracles takes place when our little faith meets God's grace, and she was cured. She was healed. Another beautiful example, St. Peter's faith in Jesus. When Peter saw Jesus from afar, he started to walk on the water. The moment he lost his faith in Jesus, he started to sink into the water. But God's grace kept him safe. My dear brothers and sisters, our faith may fail at times, but God's grace never fails. Therefore, let us ask, do I trust God only when things go well? Or how do I strengthen my faith when